Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look. Alright, so I'm going to get started with my re-washed hair. I washed my hair and oiled it. I'm going to be using this ORS gel edge control actually. So I'm going to go ahead and pat my hair with the help of the edge control. I'm going to use it to lay down the hair very properly so the parts can be neat. Once I'm done patting my hair, I'm going to go ahead and start dividing it into sections. What I'm trying to achieve is very simple, kind of rubber band tie ponytail, but it's not really a ponytail. So I'm just going to divide this into different sections and then I'll start tying them. So the brand of bands I'm using is called Coco. So I'm going to go ahead and part my hair into smaller sections like in the video right now, and then I'm going to use the bands to tie it to the rubber band. I choose color blue, kind of just wanted that shouty vibe. Okay, so once I'm done tying that one, I'll now part another one, then I'll now link the two of them to keep linking till the end. Alright, you guys just go ahead and watch the just tie one, and then when you're about to tie the second one, you put the first one into it, and then you continue linking them back till you get to the end. So once I'm done wrapping my entire head or the parts I separated, I'm just going to go ahead and weave the rest. I didn't want to do a ponytail, I wanted it to be a crochet, so I'm just going to go ahead and weave the back. Right, so for the hair I'm using, it's braiding hair. How to get the braid style to coil this new braid the hair together, you dip it in hot water, you lose it. Once you lose it, you will get these exact curls. But for this particular one I'm using, it's from my previous styles. So I took down my braids, I air dried it properly, and then this is what I'm using to crochet into my head. Alright, I hope you guys get the gist. Alright, so we need to just go ahead and crochet this with just one knot. I don't want it to be a double knot because I don't intend to carry this hairstyle for long. So just one knot, because I don't really like the pain in the rubber band pulling my hair. So that's why I don't intend to carry the style for long. So just go ahead and crochet this hair onto my hair. One knot, like I said, just one knot, no double knot. So when I want to take it down, it will be pretty easy. Just pull it and it will come out. Alright, so once I'm done crocheting, I will go ahead and trim it. So I'm crocheting really close, really tight because I don't want any space in it, and I want it to look really big and fluffy. So once I'm done crocheting, I'm just going to go ahead and trim it out and get the shape I want. So I'm going to buff it out while I'm trimming it, and then once I'm done getting the desired shape and the length I want, I'll go ahead with the white gel to kind of rub it the hair and make the curls look better and put together. Alright, so the gel I'm using is called Petals, and then maybe guys will see it when So just go ahead and rub that gel all over the hair. Just put it, and then I'm done. Because I kind of pulled everything into the rubber band. So this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up on the video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.